So I got this boot from the charity shop, Mediterranean Dishes, and inside is moussaka. I do like moussaka. So in my pan I've got onion and garlic. Now I've had a bit of pepper and a courgette because it needed using up, so I've added that as well. So I fried that off for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to add some mince. So I've just got beef mince, but a traditional moussaka would have lamb mince. But beef will be fine because the recipe does say lamb or beef. So I'm going to cook this off till my meat's browned. So now that my mince is browned off, I'm going to add a tin of chopped tomatoes. I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for about 15 minutes and let it cook through. Now, as you know, moussaka is a layer of aubergines and your mince, and then topped off with a yoghurt type cheese sauce. So my aubergine I've sliced very, very thinly and I've grilled it both sides. So there's my aubergine, thinly sliced and grilled, and then we'll layer the moussaka up once the mince has cooked through. So I've grilled my aubergines and I've cooked my mince. So what I've done, I've laid it up in my dish. So there's a layer of aubergine, and then there's mince, and then aubergine again and mince. Now in the topping that I'm going to put on is natural yoghurt, eggs, salt and pepper. I've put some grated cheese in as well, and some nutmeg. Now I do have proper nutmeg, and I grate it with my little grater, so it's nice and fine. But ground nutmeg will work just as fine. So I'm going to pour this over my moussaka. Now don't forget, if you've any leftovers, which I have, put in my little tray and it'll go in the freezer. So I'll put the remainder on that. And then I'm just going to top my moussaka off with my egg and yoghurt mix. I'm going to sprinkle some grated cheese over the top, and then we'll put it in the oven. It'll take about 45 minutes this. Be nice and bubbling after. There you go, moussaka. So I've just taken my moussaka out the oven. Look at that, looks lovely. Delicious moussaka. Served with a Greek salad, delicious.